Hi everybody, I am going to discuss aptitude questions. In this video I am going to discuss number series, which is very important concept in any campusing interview or any competitive exam. Let's consider there is a missing terms, that is question marks. We have to find the question mark, that is the missing term. 120, 99, 80, 63, 48 question mark. There are four options: 35, 38, 39, 40. What will be the correct answer? Now your time start now. Just give the answer in the comment box within a specified time. Try it. What will be the answer of this number series? We can see that there is a decreasing order of numbers. 120, 99, 18, 63, 48 and decreasing order. We have to find out the gap between the numbers. The gap between the number is here 21, here 19, here 17, here 15. So there is a gap of 2, that is, this is a 15, difference between this number is, there is a 17, difference between this 19 and there this is 21. So this number should be with a gap of 13. And if you deduct 13 from 48, then we will get the result, that is equal to 35. So answer is 35. So in this missing term, as the number is in decreasing order, so we have to find the difference between the two numbers. First of all, difference between 120 and 99 is 21. Then the difference between 99 and 80 is 19. Then the difference between 80 and 17, 80 and 63 is 17. Then the difference between 63 and 48, 15. The next difference would be gap of 13. Because the 15, then the 17, there is 2 gap, 17 plus 2, 19, 19 plus 2. So the number should be 13. And 13 is 35 plus missing term. Here the term is 3, 10, 101 and question mark. There are four options as given: 101, 101, 10201, 10202, 11012. What will be the correct answer? Now your time start now. Now the answer is, what will be the answer? Is there any gap finding? Is there any gap between two numbers? There is a gap 7. There is a huge gap, that is gap equal to that is 90, 91. The gap of 91. There is gap of 7. There is a gap of 91. So there is a gap mismatch. So next is, you can find out in this way. That is 3 into 10. Mean 3 square plus 1. That is equal to 10. And you can find 10 square plus 1, that is equal to 101. So next number would be 101 square plus 1, that is equal to 100 square. 101 square mean 101 into 101, that is equal to plus 1, that is equal to 10202. So answer is 10202. In this series, there is no gap differences. We have to consider another way. That is, here we have to get the 30 in this way. 3 into 3 plus 1 equal to 10. 10 into 10 plus 1, that is 100. Then 1 into 101 plus 1, that will be the answer. 3 into 3 plus 1, that is equal to 10. 10 into 10 plus 1, that is equal to 101. So we can get the fourth number as 101 into 101 plus 1, that is equal to, answer is 10202. So the answer is 10202. 13, 25, 51, 101 and question mark. there any gap sequence in between numbers? That is 13 minus 6 equal to 7, 25 minus 13 equal to 12, 51 minus 25, that is equal to 26, and that is 50 plus 51 plus 50. But the number is, we have to get the 13, 6 into 2 plus 1. Let us consider 6 into 2 plus 1. Here the number is 6 into 2 plus 1. That is equal to 13. Next number is 13 plus 2 plus 1 is not equal to 25. That is equal to minus 1. That is 25. Next number is 25 into 2 plus 1. That is equal to 51. Next number is 51 into 2 minus 1. That is equal to 101. So the next number should be again plus. That is 101 into 2 plus 1. That is equal to 203. That is equal to 203. So answer is 203. 6, 13, 20, 52, 6, that is 6, 13, 25, 51, 101, and the next number is 203. Rule is plus number is multiplied by 2, and first number is multiplied by 2, then add the 1. The next number is again multiplied by 2, subtract 1, then again third number is multiplied 2, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, and multiplied by the 2. So this is the answer of the question. Let us consider the next question. 1, 3, 4, 8, 15, 27 question mark. Options are 37, 44, 50, 55. What will be the answer? Your time start now. Give the answer in the comment. 1, 3, 4, 8, 15, 27 question mark. There is no specific rule of gapping number, that is 1, 3 minus 1 equal to 2, that is 4 minus 1 is now 1, 8 minus 4 equal to 4, then is 7. So there is a no sequence of gapping between two numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 1 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 8. If you add first three number, then we get the result of 8. Then again, if we add next three number, that is 8, 15 and 27, then we will get 35, 50. So answer should be 50. So answer of this question is 50. Adding first three number, then get the fourth number, then again adding the next three number, get the fourth number, that is 8, 15 and 27 equal to 50. So answer is option C. Let us consider the next question. 2, 15, 4, 12, 6, 7 question mark question. We have to find two terms here. There are two series, that is 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, and the next is 8. First one is 8, and second is there is 3 gap, then again this is 5 gap, then the last number should be the 7 gap. It is equal to 0, 8 and 0. Question mark 8 and 0. The answer is 8 and 0. There are two series. One is with 2, 4, 6, that is addition of two numbers from the previous numbers, and there is a subtraction of 3 from the previous numbers. So 3 and then the 5, then their number should be, last number should be gap of 7. The answer is 7 minus 7, that is equal to 0. Let us consider the next question. 2, 8, 16, 128 and the question mark. That is the, after multiplying the first two number, we get the third number, that is 16. And 8 into 16 equal to 120. Then we will get 120 into 16. And that should be 2408, because 4 into 8 is the 8. That's number, remaining number are not 8. So the answer should be 2008. 2 into 8 equal to 16. 8 into 16 equal to 128. 16 into 128, that is equal to 2048. Answer is 20. Let us consider the next question. 1, 2, 6, 7, 21, 22, 66, 67 question mark. Options are 70, 134, 201, 301. There are 4 options. You have to find the correct answer. Now your time start now. Submit the answer in the comment box within the specified time. Answer is, there is a gap of 1, and then 2 into 3 is multiplied, then we get the 6, then gap of 1, then 3 is multiplied, plus multiplied, then again a gap of 1 and 3 is multiplied. So there is a sequence 1 addition and multiplication. So gap of plus 1, then number should be multiplied by 3, that is equal to 67 into 3, that is equal to 201. Answer is 201. So the first number and the second number, there is a gap of 1, and the second number and third number, there is a multiplication of 3. Third number and fourth number, there is a gap of 1 plus addition of 1, then multiplied by 3, again addition of 1 and multiplied by 3, addition of 1 and multiplied by 3. So easily we can get the answer. Let us consider the next question. There's 0, 2, 3, 5, 8, 10, 15, 17, 24, 26 question mark. Option is 35, option B 38, option C 39, option D 40. Your time start now. Answer the question in the comment box in the specified time. Answer is 0 to 3. There is 2 series, that is 0 plus 3, 0 plus 3, 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7, that is 9, and then the number should be plus 11, that is equal to 35. Answer is 35. There are 2 series, that is 3, 5, 7, gap of 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and the answer is let us consider the next question. 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 25 and question mark. Options are 26, 29, 37, 27. Answer the question in the comment box within the specified time. Your time start now. Now the answer is there is a gap of 2, there is a gap of 4, there is a gap of 2, that is gap of 2, then gap of 4, then 2, then a gap of 4, that is equal to 29. So answer is 29. So there is a gap of 2, then gap of 4, then 2, 4, 2, 4, and finally the answer is 29. Let us consider the next question. 2, 5, 2, 7, 9, 16, 25 question mark. Answer, there are 4 options: 41, 45, 48 and 52. Find the answer. Write the answer in the comment box within the specified time. There is a 5 plus 2, that is equal to 7, 2 plus 7, that is equal to 9, 7 plus 9, that is equal to 16, 16 plus 25, that is equal to 41. The answer is 41. Adding 2 number, we get the third number, then adding next 2 number, we get the third number, and so on. The answer is 40. Very much for watching this video. This is the 10 important question regarding the number series. In this video, I have discussed different concept of number series. Different rules applied. We have to remember different kind of rules so that when an unknown question arrives, we can easily apply. Thank you very much for watching this video. Share and subscribe the video. Thank you very much.